What to do as a producer when you have limited time and you don't always feel creative. Something that can truly help you is planned workflows. Today I'm utilizing 3 workflow ideas. The workflows are genre-specific workflow, limitation focus, and structural inspiration. Kick, clap, and hi-hat first, then sampled percussion, then arpeggiated synth, and then bass. And this is the outcome of this. Okay, so 10 minutes starts now. Okay, we're gonna start with drums. So let's add a new device in our drum MIDI track. And I'm just gonna go into 909 Chord Kit, because that's like very easy one to, if you wanna make a housey track, that's a very easy one to start with. So let's go and make sure that our kick has a good velocity. So if you hold down layout, you can just pick the velocity of the sound. Let's go fixed length and 2 bars and make sure that it's blinking so it's activated. And I'm just gonna start drawing the kicks into the sequencer. Let's also make sure that the tempo is correct, 127. Cool. And clap. Change some of the velocities, so there's a little bit of difference. And hi-hat. I'm just going to activate that permanently. I'm just literally clicking things in here and hoping it sounds cool. Isn't that what music making is? Okay, we have a beat. And if we quantize it a little bit with swing, like 70% of swing, it should add a... Yeah, there's a little bit of more of like human aspect to it. Okay, next we have sample percussion. So I'm using my Ableton Push 3 now attached to my computer, which means that I'm using the my external interface. So if you want to, you can also use the interface in your Push, obviously. I have some stuff here that I'm gonna sample. So we're gonna go into here in session view or pick an audio track, activate that, take fixed length off so that we can record forever. And I'm just gonna click that and start recording sounds. Okay, that was sounds. Let's see how they sound in simpler. So let's go convert and simpler. For modes, we need to go slicing. I know this goes quite fast, but if you are wanting to use Push as fast as I am, then I have Ableton Push 2, Ableton Push 3, 101 courses on my website. So there's a discount code below. So if you want to also be a pro using all this. There's also AbletonLive live performance course with Push there, as well as AbletonLive, like AbletonLive course where you learn AbletonLive. So go there to learn. Ooh, that is cool. Okay, they're quite quiet, so let's go simpler. Global, volume up. And I'm pretty shit at finger drumming. So I'm just going to activate repeat. And what I'm going to do is put fixed length on again for 2 bars. Press record. It's recording now. And I'm going to go here and activate 16. Oh, it's playing that other sample as well. Let's delete that one. Okay, let's create a couple of variations. Okay, I like these 2. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's add a device. Let's add, we have 4 minutes 30. Let's add an audio effect, and I'm gonna go to amp. Why not? That's kind of cool. Okay, cool. And let's add that same swing there. Oh, a little bit less maybe. There's definitely a beat there. We have Arp Synth. Okay, let's go in device, and then we're gonna go instruments. So having all that there is quite good because it just makes me, it forces me to kind of focus and not get lost. Kind of like having noise there. Let's put oscillator 1, oscillator 2 level, so it's not as loud. Cool, okay. Let's add a Arpeggiated. Device, MIDI effect, Arpeggiated, yes. And then we go minor key, because I can't deal with major. Okay, great. And fixed length 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, that sounds actually really cool. Let's add an audio effect. Let's add like Who are we adding? Echo. Okay, we have literally like 40 seconds to add a bass here. So let's add a, oh, what am I doing? MIDI track. And then the first instrument that comes alive, which is analog. And then is there like a bass preset? Whoa. Scale minor. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, the time is going now. This is not shit, and we did that in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm very interested to see now how we can transform this into something more fuller in Ableton Live.
I can draw your face, hear you between the lines. Remember, it's the place where we can hide. It's the place 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 we can hide.
To continue improving your workflows, check out these videos, how to make a track in 10 steps videos, as well as making a track in 10 minutes using Ableton Move. To learn more about creative blocks and how to overcome them, check out my new book, Creative Confidence and Music Production, Overcome Your Insecurity. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and see you here again soon.